as a plant, we create asphalt.
We test it and sample it daily for essentially quality control.
So with the traditional testing method using the pressure pot, there is a much higher risk involved with this method. It's usually tested using a strong solvent called dichloromethane or methylene chloride, or meths as we call it for short.
It's very harmful, it's cancerous if you was to be daily exposed to the vapours of methylene chloride, which is why we have so much extraction in place. We have to wear solvent-proof gloves up to halfway up your arm, full face visors. Your exposure is as reduced as it can be through our PPE. There was a lot of manual handling involved.
The actual lid itself, weighs a fair few kilos. If we're lifting bottles up to this position here and turning them up and upending them to empty the solvent,
we could be standing in front of a pressure pot for hours every day, holding kilograms in front of us. It's quite a strain on the back and the physical exposure to meths.
Well, we was told about this machine that would do everything for you basically, so we thought, okay then, we'll give it a go. So the machine itself, the analyzer machine, you actually get rid of a lot of manual handling, and it's all done with a press of a button basically.
There's no heavy lifting or consistently pouring samples into a pressure pot, such as with the old method. We don't have any direct contact with the mess. There's no risk of splashing or spillages. The machine takes care of all of that for us because it's a sealed system. The analyzer has a clean tank reservoir, and it is possible to fill this up manually. So what you would do is undo the seal on the tank, and you would manually pour mess using a jug into the reservoir.
That felt sort of odd, considering this machine was purchased to eliminate our exposure to the meths. So we've come up with a solution involving a hose which will plug directly to the front of the machine here. We can pump it straight into the machine from the tank outside. Again, no exposure, no direct contact with the meths itself.
Using an analyzer, is a lot safer for everyone that actually enters the lab.
From a personal safety point of view, I can go home every day knowing that I haven't inhaled any harmful vapours. And I just feel comfortable that it's a lot safer and beneficial to mine and my colleagues' health every day.